In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva. If you've ever found yourself unable to edit a locked page and are unsure of what to do, you're in the right place. This guide is here to quickly and easily show you how to navigate through this process. So let's dive straight into it. First, what you'll need to do is open up your Canva project where you've encountered the locked page. Upon opening the project, you'll notice the bottom of your screen contains various icons designed to assist you further in your design process. Here, you want to focus on the grid icon. This icon is an essential part of navigating your way through multiple pages within your design. Click on this grid icon located at the bottom. By doing this, you're giving yourself a nice overview of all the pages in your document. This bird's eye view helps you better understand how your work is structured and identify which pages are locked. Now, you need to locate the locked page. You'll identify this particular page by looking for a lock icon. This icon is typically at the bottom of the page thumbnail, signaling that interactions with this page are restricted. The lock icon is fairly intuitive and clear, serving as a straightforward reminder that the page cannot yet be altered. If you pay attention to this, it will ensure that you aren't mistakenly trying to edit a locked page without taking the necessary steps. Upon locating the page that has been locked, go ahead and right-click on it. You'll be presented with a variety of options. From the pop-up menu that appears, you need to look for the Unlock Page option. As soon as you've identified it, go ahead and click it. This step is what establishes your newfound ability to edit and make changes to the page in question. Once clicked, the lock icon will disappear, indicating that the page is now fully editable. You're now free to carry on with your design changes or add content as you see fit. It's a straightforward process, but one that can sometimes be a little tricky if you're not familiar with where the options are found. Just remember, the key steps are identifying the locked page through the grid, right-clicking to find your options, and then selecting to unlock it. Following these simple steps will facilitate smoother editing and a more seamless design process with Canva. That's all there is to it. Practice these steps and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked it, be sure to check out our other guides for more design tips and tricks. See you next time.